Round 1, form a magic ring. Chain and 12 double crochet inside the ring. Once done with 12 double crochet, pull the tail. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Round 2, double crochet in the first stitch. Then add one more double crochet in the same stitch. Then repeat a 2 double crochet in each for 24 double crochet. Round 3, double crochet in the first, including the tail. Then increase or 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, repeat 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat around for a total of 36 double crochet stitches around. Round 4, remove the stitch marker, double crochet in the first, then double crochet in the next stitch, and then increase double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat a double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next, and then 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and then increase double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so repeat for 48 double crochet stitches around. And once you have 48 double crochet stitches around, chain of 3. Then remove the stitch marker and do a double crochet. Chain 1, 2, 3, double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat 1, 2, 3, then double crochet. repeat chain of 3 and then double crochet in the next here. So we have 3 here and then we will make another 3. So repeat around a chain of 3 and double crochet 3 times.